Well, parents, if we want our children to be good decision makers, we need to ask them to question more. The more they question, the more they improve on their logical reasoning, critical thinking, and of course, decision making. And this is Dr. Sagareeka, the author of the book Just Expressions, a global speaker and an education thought leader. And the small nugget that I would like to inform you all today about decision making is the use of 5 whys. It's a beautiful technique for all age groups. I'll just cite a small example of how do you use this 5 why. Is that, say suppose your child says, let's go to the market. The first why, you say, why go to the market? The child replies, to buy fruits and vegetables. The second why would be, why buy fruits and vegetables? Then the answer to that would be that we need fruits and vegetables to eat as food. Then the fourth why would be, why do you need to eat food, and especially fruits and vegetables? So the fifth answer to that is to give our body the supply of proteins, carbohydrates and vitamins, etc. for good body physique and for our wellness and good mental health. So could you see, through 5 why, 5 W's are more than enough, 5 Y's are more than enough to get you to the right answer. And that right answer is nothing but the decision that you wanted to take to go to the market. Why go to the market? So this is a very small example that I have informed you all about, but this could be used by all age groups. The 5 W, the 5 Y's work wonders in decision making. So ask your child to question, and question 5 times, and you come down to the answer. Hello parents, thank you for liking, sharing and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Happy parenting. And this is Dr. Sagareeka, the author of the book Just Expressions, a global speaker and an education thought leader.